the floor and begin with the program.
As rightly said by Aristotle, the precepts of the law may be comprehended under these 3 points: to live honestly, to hurt no man willfully, and to render every man his due carefully. Law is an exceptional domain brimming with the knowledge of the world functioning around us, understanding the framework of rules, functioning of the parliament, and most importantly, administration of justice. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Club Aesthetica, I'm profoundly delighted to take an opportunity to welcome our chief guest for today, Advocate Bhakti Mutha ma'am, respected Chairman Nitin Aptesa, respected Principal Nalini Ambad ma'am, faculty members, and all my fellow participants for joining in this illuminating session called The Lawrence of Academia. Law is the clear, translucent stream of flowing freely and smoothly between the banks of wisdom and truth, purified by mercy and equity. As found upon our statute books, this highway of justice, like some of our rivers, is interrupted in its free course by individual dams, sandbars, snags, the floodwood, often changing the channel and causing many a shipwreck. Ma'am, we are very, very honored to have you with us today. Your comments are quintessential for students who want to be like you one day and dream of getting their master's degree from abroad. We would be delighted with your expertise and knowledge in every way possible. So, without further ado, I would like to call upon Ms. Meetu Sharma to give us a brief introduction of Bhakti Mutha ma'am. And thank you very much, everyone, for your presence. I hope you enjoy this session and it turns out to be fruitful. Over to you, Meetu.
Good evening, everyone. Today I, Meetu Sharma, on behalf of Club Aesthetica of DES Sri Navalmal Firodia Law College, would like to read out the CV of Ms. Bhakti Navdeep Mutha. Bhakti ma'am is an alumnus of our college, that is DES Sri Navalmal Firodia Law College, from BALB batch of 2014 to 2019. She was recognized as the best ladies representative of her college. She has done LLM in International Business Law from Queen Mary University of London in 2020. She specializes in international investment law, foreign investments and public policy, WTO law fundamental principles, WTO law domestic regulations and trade remedies, international commercial arbitration, ethics in international arbitration, strategic decision making for lawyers, and dissertation. Ma'am is currently pursuing solicitor's exam of the United Kingdom. Mutha ma'am has various legal skills such as legal research, legal drafting, public speaking, management and scheduling, leadership and teamwork, which is really very impressive. She has been an amazing mooter and has won many prizes in various moot court competitions like Justice S.B. Mahasi Moot Court Competition, GLS Law College, Shri I. M. Nanavati National Moot Court Competition, Lux Everita's 7th National Moot Court Competition, K.K. Luthra International Memorial Moot Court Competition, and 10th Shankar Rao Kanitkar National Level Moot Court Competition. Ma'am has also performed incredibly in legal drafting and law elocution competitions. She was a runner-up in the Nani Palkhiwala Memorial Trust, Symbiosis Law School, Pune, and was a winner in the 6th National Legal Drafting Competition, Lux e Veritas. Moving on to her legal experience, she has worked as a legal intern in various companies like Nehru and Company in Pune, Advocate Harshad Sathe and Saurabh D. Butala, High Court of Judicature at Bombay, Advocate Bhalchandra Pathak and Associates Pune, Advocate Suresh Firodia, Mrs. Kiran and Bora Advocates Pune, and Advocate Milind Patil Pune, and has gained knowledge about issuing notices, drafting agreements, enhancing legal research, analyzing and advising legal entities on corporate and commercial contracts, working on cases relating to contract laws, business laws, civil laws, litigation laws, evidence laws, negotiating indemnity contracts, lease contracts, civil contracts, sale contracts, and much more. Ma'am, we are grateful to have you today with us. We welcome you and thank you so much. Over to Bhakti Mutha, ma'am.
Thank you so much for such a sweet and kind introduction. I hope I'm audible, not too loud, not too soft.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I take a pride and immense pleasure that my alma mater has invited me today and gave me such a great opportunity to share my experience and knowledge. Most importantly, I would like to thank the respected members of our management, our beloved principal ma'am, and I would like to specially thank Anagha Baruta ma'am for being the architect of this event. Also, I would like to extend some great thanks to other faculty members also, because they are also very enthusiastic towards such kind of programs and taking initiatives to accept such seminars. So moving ahead, well, I would like to state more things about our legal career towards when we are going to complete our bachelor's, what do we have to do in bachelor's, and also how do we do your master's. Okay, so am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so I would like to share some screen so that it would be easier for interacting. And also, I would like to ask you some questions after that. Once I just share the screen, just give me one moment, please. Okay, so is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So before we start, let me ask you a few questions. How are you interested in law? How much are you interested in law? And what is that drive which has made you pursue this legal career as a profession in your life? And what is that passion that drives you towards pursuing a career in legal field? Well, can anybody answer this? Anyone? Okay, fine. Let's move ahead. Well, the reason behind I'm asking you this question is because during my bachelor's degree, when I was pursuing BLLB, that time I knew a lot of people who were not interested in law per se as a passion, but were interested in law because they were thinking that it is an alternative degree. And they were also thinking that this is something where people can pursue law with some other competitive exams and not focusing on law completely. Or some of them were thinking that it would look great on the CV. But well, I would like to give some disclaimer that this webinar is only for those who are really passionate about legal career and pursuing legal career as their profession in practice. So I think let's get started. Why don't I see the slides? Can you all see the slides? No?
No, ma'am.
No, we can't.
I don't know. I am not able to share the screen because it's showing that rights are to be granted. So can someone please grant me the rights to share the screen?
Yes, Bhakti ma'am, it has been granted to you now. You may share the screen.
So